Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit different of a video than usual, an unboxing video. So last week, YouTube sent me a package in the mail, which inside of this box is a silver plaque for reaching the 100,000 subscriber milestone. First off, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to have all of your support and also for leaving all of your nice comments each and every day. When I first started my YouTube channel, I never even imagined gaining 100,000 subscribers, but I thought that if I could at least possibly help a few people along the way, I would find satisfaction out of uploading videos on YouTube. And if you're currently subscribed to my channel, I hope that I've been able to bring enough value to you over the past weeks or months. Again, I really appreciate all of your support. So before I do the unboxing for today's video, for those of you who currently have a channel or are thinking about creating one, I'm going to quickly go over the steps you'll need to take in order to receive your award. First off, once you reach the 100,000 subscriber mark, an employee of YouTube will review your channel just to make sure that all of your subscribers are legit, so they'll be making sure they weren't bought, that they aren't robots, etc. YouTube claims that one of their employees will review your channel within 3 weeks of reaching the 100,000 subscriber mark. If 3 weeks passes and you still haven't heard anything, then you can send an email or chat with a member of the YouTube creator support team, which I'll link in the description box below. All you'll need to do there is just let them know that you've reached the 100,000 subscriber mark and that you're wondering if they could review your channel just to see if you're eligible for the award. Now, even though you're supposed to wait at least 3 weeks to receive a notification to claim your award on your homepage, I personally jumped the gun just a little bit and sent YouTube a message after around 5 days. They actually responded within 24 hours, letting me know they forwarded my request along to their internal team for review and that they expect to hear back within a couple of days. Well, it was about 3 days later that I received a notification on my YouTube page letting me know that I could finally claim my reward. From there, you have to go to the YouTube Rewards Redemption website, insert your redemption code that you'll see on your notification, and click continue. After that, you'll then be prompted to type in the name of your channel along with your mailing address. Once you click submit, you'll receive a confirmation email, and I ended up getting another email 1 day later letting me know they were in the process of creating my plaque. In the email, it says, your award is getting polished and customized right now. We'll send you another email when it ships, and then it should arrive in about 2 to 3 weeks. Well, just about 5 days later, I received another email letting me know that they had shipped my award and that it was on its way. Well, they shipped the award out on September 14th via UPS, and it arrived on September 17th, taking just 4 days to receive it. So, not the fastest of shipping, nothing crazy like overnight, but I wasn't in a real hurry, so obviously I didn't have too many complaints. The shipping, of course, is also completely free, and there's no charge to receive your award. As you saw before, it comes in this black box with the YouTube logo on it, so I instantly knew exactly what it was. Oh, and of course, if you have a team of some sort or just want to order additional awards, you can definitely do so by emailing them at youtubecreator@societyawards.com, letting them know. Now, there is nowhere on YouTube that actually tells you the price of purchasing additional awards, but after watching a few videos, other people found out that it ended up costing around $150 plus shipping. Also, apparently there's a 3% credit card convenience fee as well. But of course, if you're like me and you're just a one-man show, then obviously you won't have any need to buy additional awards. Alright, so enough talk for now. Let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing of this award. Now let's just see if I can open this box in a timely manner. I can't tell you how much of a tease it's been over the past week just having this box sit in my room and not be able to really open it. I just really wanted to film the opening of this box to be able to share this moment with you guys. So usually I start out by trying to open these boxes real neatly, and then I just end up tearing everything apart when I can't successfully open the box after just a few minutes. So let's see if I can do this real neatly without messing it up too badly. Okay. So there it is once again. It says YouTube on the box, just a plain black box like that. So let's go ahead and get into opening it up. Ooh. Try not to cut myself. Okay. Hey, it looks like we got it open without messing up the box too badly. Okay, so you open it up and it kind of looks like this on the inside. It looks like they have a letter here. So I'll go ahead and read the letter. So if you want to take a look at it. So it says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all of your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. All right, so once again, that's the letter right here. And then inside here, and here's the plaque right here. See, still wrapped up. I'll try not to drop it on the floor on camera and break this thing. So right here, of course, there's another letter if you want to order more for your team. It tells you how to do it. Right here, it just says to email youtubecreator@societyawards.com. And I'll link that in the description box below too if you're interested. So here's the plaque presented to Josh Anderson for passing 100,000 subscribers with a YouTube play button. So it's kind of cool. On the back, it looks like there's a place where you can hang it on your wall if you want. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put this in my room or whatnot, but I'm sure I'll find a place for it. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. So I appreciate you two for sending me this. And once again, I really appreciate all you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really, all in all, this is probably your award because without you, I wouldn't have this. So more than anything, if I could hand it off to each and every one of you, I would hand it off to you because really, in the end, it's your award. And I really appreciate everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, so once again, guys, I can't thank you enough for all your support. Obviously, without you guys, I would never have received this. So in my eyes, once again, I really owe you this reward more than anything. Again, I never expected to gain this many subscribers in the beginning, and my entire intention behind this channel was simply hoping to help a few people along the way and touch a few hearts if I could. I hope that I've been able to do just that, and I really hope I can continue to help any way I can in the future. Also, if any of you are considering creating a YouTube channel of any sort, I highly encourage you to do so. If you're thinking about it but maybe hesitant about putting yourself out there, I say just jump into it and film your first video. If you link your channel in the comment section below, I'll even be your first fan. Oh, and please do so if you do have a channel, just so others can check you out and hopefully you can gain some more support that way. One thing I will say though is just make sure that you enjoy the process of filming videos or creating them, because otherwise you may end up burning yourself out in the process. If you create videos on doing things you love, you're a whole lot less likely to burn out during the process. I'm sure any of you who decide to create a channel or already have one, if you stay consistent, you will do just fine. So guys, on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching again. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you guys and I hope you have a great day today.